that will come. I'd rather delight in you. For you are my strength in my time of need. I'd rather delight in you. You lift my soul from the ditch of my pain and down. For you are my strength, Lord. I'd rather delight in you.
Nowhere to hide from your presence. You will find me in the deepest valley. To you the darkness is as bright as the day. Your love overwhelms me. You surround me. Your love is inescapable. No matter where I go, it's all around me. You are holy, pursuing me relentlessly. I can't escape the power of your glory. You are holy. Your love is inescapable. No matter where I go, it's all around me. You are holy, pursuing me relentlessly. I can't escape the power of your glory.
Jireh, you are enough. I will be content in every circumstance. You are Jireh, you are enough. Yeah. 'Cause I'm yours, I'm yours, I'm yours. Take over, take over. I'm yours.
If I could speak in the tongues of love, still I could not say what your love really is. It's better than riches, better than gold, better than a life filled with all I want.
You will provide. I have confidence in you. You will provide. What you say is what you will do. You provide. You're never too early or too late. No matter how long it takes, I know that God will provide. You will provide. I have confidence in you. You will provide. What you say is what you do. I know you provide. You're never too early or too late. No matter how long it takes, I know my God will provide. My provider, my provider. Jehovah, you are the Most High. Jehovah, you are the Most High God. Jehovah, you are the Most High. Jehovah, you are the Most High God. Jehovah, Jehovah. I love the way you love me.
Yeah. I just want to talk about the love of Jesus. Yeah. Jesus, your love is amazing. I see your grace all around me. And everywhere I turn, I see favor. Hey, what would I do without you?